Welcome to Kids Vision TV. Hello kids, today we are coloring and painting a shark family. Let's paint them together. Let's start by drawing. First, I am drawing a daddy shark. Then I'm drawing a mama shark. The last one, baby shark. I'm going to color it with different colors. You can color with me. Let's color it. First, I am coloring in baby shark, yellow color. Pink color. It's time to color in a mommy shark. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is a family shark. Blue color. Let's color in a daddy shark with blue color. Oh, look at the family shark. It's looking so pretty. White color. Coloring its lower layer. Outline again. you like my videos, then like, subscribe and please share and notify the bell icon.
Subscribe us for more videos.